Use the generating function to solve the recurrence relation. Recurrence relation is given in the form of Sn plus 1 minus 2Sn equals to 4 power n with initial condition is given s of 0 equal to 1 and n takes the value of greater than or equal to 0. Now we're going to use the generating function and solve this problem. Let us consider the generating function. Generating function is nothing but generating function g of x. It's denoted by g of x, which is equal to, here we are considering s, so we can take it s naught plus s1x plus s2x square plus up to etc plus sn x power n plus up to etc. That is equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity, okay, and then sn x power n. Okay, so this is what generating function. Okay, this is what generating function. Now what we're going to do here, we're going to apply this. Okay, we're going to form the generating function and then we're going to find the solution for this. What is the nth term of this recurrence relation? Okay, fine, let's start with this. Okay, sn plus 1. Okay, sn plus 1, sn plus 1, okay, minus 2 sn equal to 4 power n. Now here you can see in this generating function x is there, okay, x square, so we need x here. Okay, so I'm going to multiply x on both sides, so that is going to be sn plus 1, okay, x power n, I'm going to multiply by x power n, okay, x power n minus 2 sn x power n equal to 4 power n x power n. Just I have multiplied x power n with the entire equation, so I will get like this. Now next what you have, you can see this summation you have here. N value is given, n is greater than or equal to 0, so we have to take n value is greater than or equal to 0. So that is going to be, I'm going to include the summation here. Summation of n equal to 0 to infinity sn plus 1, okay, x power n minus 2 constant you can take outside, summation of n equal to 0 to infinity sn nth variable, okay, x power n equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity sn x power n. Okay, this is what you're going to have. Now you can see the suffix and the power, it's in different. Okay, if it is going to be in different n plus 1 n, we need to include that. Okay, we need to increase the suffix and the power of x should be, try to make it equal. So if I want to make it equal, you need n plus 1, so I'm going to multiply and divide by, okay, x, so the value will not change. Summation of n equal to 0 to infinity sn plus 1. Okay, now if you take like this, I can take that x inside the bracket. Okay, I can take x inside the bracket. So what will happen? Okay, this is going to be 1. Okay, this is going to be 1 x power n plus 1. Okay, so that I'm taking x inside of the summation, that's it, minus 2 summation of n equal to 0 to infinity sn x power n. Okay, here there is no problem, the both suffix and the power both are same, so you can keep. Okay, that is nothing matter. This is nothing but 4 power n, 4 power n, okay, 4 power n x power n. So this is going to be summation of n equal to 0 to infinity 4 power n x power n. Okay, this all same, or I can write this as 4x whole power n. Okay, that is the better way of writing, 4x whole power n, 4x whole power n. Okay, fine. Now I can expand this summation, that is 1 by x. This is going to be n takes the value of 0, now you will get s1 x1, okay, plus s2 x square plus up to etc, it goes on, minus 2, this is nothing but it's in the form of sn x power n, so that is nothing but g of x. I can write is equal to g of x equal to, this is going to be n takes the value of 0 now 1 plus 4x plus 4x the whole square. Okay, you will get 4x the whole square plus up to etc. Okay, fine. This is what the summation you're going to have. Okay, now here you can see in the generating function it starts s1x, it starts here. Okay, it starts here, so entire term will be there. So you can take this s naught to other side. Okay, you can take this s naught to other side. So instead of this you can able to write g of x minus x naught s naught. Okay, so 1 by x g of x minus s naught, okay, minus 2 g of x equals to thus you can apply the binomial formula. We know the binomial formula. I will write this binomial formula here. Binomial formula, that is nothing but 1 plus x square plus up to etc is equal to 1 minus x whole inverse. Okay, we know that binomial formula is this one. So apply the binomial formula. So what we will get, I think you can able to see this. So what we will get, this is what the binomial formula. So this is equivalent to 1 plus x square up to etc 1 minus x whole power minus 1. So here in the place of x you have 4x. So this is going to be 1 minus 4x whole inverse. What is that? 1 minus 4x whole inverse. Then you can write, I can take this division. I will write here, okay, remaining. So this is going to be, okay, s naught. This s naught initial value already it's given there. S naught is equal to 1. Okay, already given. Okay, it is given. S naught is equal to, you can see here, s naught equal to 1. So I can apply this s naught here. Okay, so 1 by x g of x. Okay, g of x minus 1. Okay, because s naught is 1. Okay, now you can take this minus 2 g of x equals to 1 by 1 minus 4x inverse, no? So you can able to write like this. Now this is equivalent to, you can collect all the g of x. So g of x here you have 1 by x g of x, okay, minus 1 by x minus 2 g of x equal to 1 by 1 minus 4x. Okay, collect the g of x. So g of x, this and this. Okay, g of x, if you take this outside, 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x equal to 1 by 1 minus 4x. Then take this to other side. So g of x is nothing but 1 minus 2x divided by x, and this is going to be 1 by minus 4x plus 1 by x. Okay, then you can cross multiply this. G of x equal to x divided by 1 minus 4x 1 minus 2x plus this is going to be 1 by x into x divided by 1 minus 2x. Okay, so this and this get cancelled. So you have this part. Okay, x divided by 1 minus 4x into 1 minus 2x. Okay, fine. This is what you're going to have, plus 1 divided by 1 minus 2x. This part we can able to write in the binomial formula. Only we need to solve. This is a complicated fraction, so we have to apply the partial fraction to solve this into a simple fractions. Okay, now I can, there is no space, so I can erase this side and solve this value, and finally I can write the answer. So I will erase this part. Okay, fine. That is it, nothing but I'm going to make it this. Okay, solve this one. X by, okay, 1 minus 4x into 1 minus 2x, okay, which is equivalent to I can write a by partial fraction, non-repeated factors, so you can write a by 1 minus 4x 1 minus 2x. Okay, then you can multiply throughout by this value, so you can write like this. X equal to, if you multiply by this value entire equation, this get cancelled, and this 1 minus 4x 1 minus 4x get cancelled. 1 minus 2x plus b into 1 minus 4x you will get. Okay, fine. Now you have to get a value and b value. If you substitute, make it 0, this factor 0. So consider or put x equal to 1 by 2, then it will become minus 1, so it will become 0. And put next one is put b equal to 1 by 4, okay, then this part will become 0. Okay, sorry, x equal to 1 by 4, then x equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so then this part will become 0. So this is going to be, first one I will take this 1 by 2, this part will become 0, which is equal to 0 plus anything, it's going to be b of 1 minus 4 by 2. Okay, 1 minus 4 by 2, so 1 by 2 equal to this is going to be 2. Okay, so b minus 1, okay, minus b. Okay, so b equal to minus 1 by 2, you will get b equal to minus 1 by 2. And here if you put 1 by 2 means 1 by 4 equal to this will become 0. So here a into 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay, 2 by 4 actually, because 2 is there. Okay, 1 by 4, x is 1 by 4, not 2 by 4. If you cancel this, you will get 2. Okay, so that is going to be 1 by 4 equal to a, this is going to be 1 by 2. Okay, so you can cross multiply this now. 1 by 2 equal to a, correct? This 2 will go cross multiplication, you will get 1 by 2 a. So this is what the simple fraction you have. So instead of this, I can able to write, okay, x by 1 minus 4x 1 minus 2x equals to 1 by 2 1 minus 4x minus, because b is minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 2x. Okay, so I can write this here. Okay, this is equivalent to g equivalent to, so you will get answer is 1 by 2 1 minus 4x, okay, minus 1 by 2 1 minus 2x plus 1 by 2 sorry 1. Okay, 1 1 by 1 minus 2x. Okay, this is what you have. Here this is common. Okay, the denominator is common, so what you can do, this is equivalent to 1 by 2 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 4x. Okay, and this is going to be, if you take denominator is equal, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 minus 2x, so you will get 1 by 2. Okay, once again there is no space, I can erase this partial fraction and started to do this one. So this is equivalence to, what we'll get, this is equivalence to 1 by 2 1 minus 4x. Okay, this is going to be plus 1 by 2 1 minus 2x. Okay, this is what you're going to have. Okay, now this is nothing but this is equal to 1 by 2, you can write in the binomial formula 1 minus 4x inverse. Okay, plus 1 by 2 1 minus 2x inverse. Okay, fine, this is nothing but g of x. Okay, but we know that g of x is nothing but, what is the g of x? S naught plus s1x plus up to etc plus sn x power n plus up to etc. Okay, this is what g of x. Okay, fine. Now this g of x equating the x power n coefficient, that's going to be 1 by 2, this is going to be 1 minus 4x can be written in the form of plus 4x. Okay, this is going to be plus 4x plus 4x the whole square. Okay, plus up to etc plus nth term is 4x whole power n. Okay, plus up to etc. Then this expansion 1 by 2 1 plus 2x plus up to etc plus 2x whole power n plus up to etc. Okay, fine. Now equating the coefficient of x power n, equating the coefficient of x power n. Okay, so what will get? Sn. Okay, that is going to be Sn, and here it is going to be, this part is going to be 1 by 2. Okay, here x power n coefficient, so that is 4 power n. Okay, plus here 1 by 2. Okay, coefficient is going to be 2 power n, so that is equivalent to 1 by 2 4 power n plus 2 power n. Okay, so Sn equal to 1 by 2 4 power n plus 2 power n. Okay, so you can check your answers whether your answer is right or wrong. So n takes the value of 0. Okay, if n takes the value of 0, what happens? 1 by 2 4 power 0 plus 2 power 0 equals to 1 by 2 1 plus 1, which is equivalent to 1. So S naught is going to be 1. So our answer is verified. So this is the way we can solve the generating function. So this is the final answer. Sn equal to 1 by 2 4 power n plus 2 power n.